What's up, everybody? Patrick LaRouge here from Evolve Restorative Therapy. You can find me at livepainfreeprocess.com. I have a pain-free concierge service that teaches people how to eliminate pain in totality, from soups to nuts, inside to out, top to bottom. I get you what you need to do and how you need to do it to live and move pain-free. All right, this is going to be the last week within the month of teaching you about balance. This little mini-series has been fun for me because I'm doing all sorts of things. And I'm showing you all the things that I do with all my clients, and we have different conversations. And this stems from the 17 years that I've been practicing, so it always makes me excited about teaching this. And this week is how is actual balance showing you that you're out of balance. And that's actually the funniest thing in the world. Which brings me to my 4-year-old. My 4-year-old is not clumsy, but she falls consistently because she's out of balance. Why? Because she thinks way faster than she moves. My example was this morning. We were walking to school, and all of a sudden, she grabs the flower, rips, falls right in front of the stroller because she wanted to give Devin a flower that she picked, but she's in the process of picking the flower, running at the same time, and trying to hand, and she hits something and she trips and falls. I was like, baby, what's up? What's going on? And it's because she's trying to do way too much before she can actually do it. So she's thinking what she needs to do before she's actually finished doing the first step. Now that's not being balanced because she was clumsy. She fell. Also, she wasn't being balanced because she wasn't being present here, focused on what's happening, what she's doing, and the process of what she needs to do. How often does that happen? The easiest way to figure it out is, have you ever tried grabbing something and you miss it? Like, oh wait, oh, there it goes. And it's something as small as that, like you go pick up your fork and you miss it. You go look for your pencil and you bumble a little bit to get it. It's those small little things that means your brain's moving way faster than your body is attempting to do, right? That is the easier example. Now, the more physical example is your actual balance. Like when your body can't do all these complex motions and you're tripping and you're falling, or you walk or you try to stand and you bobble and you fall, or somebody pushes you over and you bend really, really hard. You see a little time when people are walking and they walk and they're all over the place and they don't even realize they're doing it. They're just walking and it looks like, how the hell is this person standing up? Because they're too wobbly up top. It's because their core's not engaged, and they know that, and people know that, but it goes further than that. What happens when you actually use the right muscle tissue? So one of the ways I show people that is putting them on. You can buy these mats, these thick mats, in rehab centers has them, but you can buy them at like Walmart, Target, pretty much anywhere, right? You want to step on the mat, and that will give you some proprioception that your body can't focus on. So you want to step on that mat. Here goes a very good example. Step on the mat, put a whole bunch of cushions together, or even go to your bed. I've been practicing this. I wonder how it's going to come out. It's actually pretty fun. But you stand on it, shoulder width apart, nice and easy, and this will show you how well your balance is when your body can't feel something. Step on the mat, bend, have a soft bend on the knee, and you see how my body starts to twist. You stand on it, right? And then once you get the hand on that, then you can do your squats and things like that, right? And you watch how the knee stays, where it needs to go, how you need to move back, et cetera, et cetera. That's not the fun. That's hard, but that's not the fun part. The way that I do it is when I do my meditations, I connect and I feel through the mat. I close my eyes. And once I close my eyes, I lift the foot, and I make sure everything stays the same. And this is how I work on my balance. Now I'm actually having a hard time. Whoa, my eyes are open, You see that? And then I close my eyes. And then my body starts to learn how to become more engaged with the whole. So now the only thing that was happening was my lower body was moving how it needs to move to get the knee, the ankle, to be where it needs to be. The hips need to rearrange itself. But you didn't see me flopping all around, right? When I have my clients first do this, I see a lot of this, right? They're trying to do it, and they're trying to get it. And that shows me how they're in balance. They're not connecting their mind with their body. That's the balance that we're talking about today. That's what happens when my daughter tripped and fell. Her mind wasn't in sync with her body. When you're reaching for that pencil and you miss it. When you're trying to get that fork, you miss it. When you try to eat a piece of food and it doesn't go in your mouth right. It's not completely there. That's the balance that you want to start really starting to work with. And it's easy as when you brush your teeth, brush, standing up. And there's a yoga pose when you do this and you brush. I have a picture of Michelle looking at a calendar in this world. I did that on the mat too. That's what's up. So it's small and easy, something as that. Like I didn't realize I was on the mat and I was doing it. I want you guys to start playing with it. Make it at ease. Make it fun. But switch hands while you brush your teeth. That changes the triggers inside your brain. And you do it on one foot. Now it's just crazy. Your brain is definitely going to have to work. That is a waker upper right there. I teach my clients to brush with the opposite hands because it wakes them up in the morning, right? That's our stuff I want you to start doing. Start getting and challenging your body, challenging your mind. But balance, if you are not so good on coordination, stuff like this will get you to start learning how to balance this stuff. But don't think muscle tissue. Think connection of mind and body, not mind over body, connection with mind and body. The more calm and at ease you are, the more your nervous system can respond accordingly. That's when things start to really happen. So this month was awesome. I had some fun. Please comment down below. Tell me what you experienced for this whole month, as well as the concept of balance. It's not just muscular. It's everything. It teaches you all the stuff that you need to balance inside your head. So comment down below. Until next month, peace.